The last index I will define is the to complete performance index. What is the definition of it, and what are some special cases that we can encounter when we are dealing with projects? First of all, what is the definition of the TCPI? It is the future cost performance index needed to complete the project within a specific budget constraint. It means you get a new budget constraint and you can now calculate what the future performance index has to be to reach that constraint. With simple mathematical deduction, we can derive the formula from the estimate at completion formula we've seen in the previous sessions, and we find that the TCPI is equal to the back minus earned value divided by the new budget minus the actual cost. The TCPI allows us to verify how realistic the new budget is. Is it achievable or not? For example, a TCPI which is a lot higher than 1 can indicate that the goal may be very difficult to reach. When the TCPI is lower than 1, well, it should be easier to reach the goal. Let's have a look at some special cases. Let's assume that your sponsor says, well, the original budget has to be maintained. So the budget to complete the project is the budget at completion. And we find the formula of the TCPI to be equal to the back minus earned value divided by the back minus actual cost. When the budget is equal to the estimate of the project manager, we have to replace the back from the first formula in the denominator by the estimate at completion by the project manager, and we can immediately see how realistic this is. The last parameter is when we say the budget has to be equal to the mathematical estimate, then we can prove that the TCPI is equal to 1, because the mathematical estimate assumes that the future performance of the project is equal to the initial performance, which means that the division of earned value by the actual cost will be equal to 1. So the TCPI will also be equal to 1. Some new parameters, we will look at those, of course, during some exercise, and you will understand them better, of course, when you have applied them in our project Frisbee. You did a great job. I'm looking forward to see you in our next sessions. Thank you.